Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss: the Shimano Bridge MT200 hydraulic disc brake set. If you're looking for the best budget-friendly hydraulic disc brakes, you've come to the right place. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Now, let's get started. The Shimano Bridge MT200 hydraulic disc brake set is a fantastic choice for cyclists on a budget. This set includes both the front and rear brakes, making it a complete package for your biking needs. Here are some key features that make these brakes stand out. Hydraulic braking power. These brakes provide excellent stopping power, giving you confidence in your rides, whether on the road or the trails. Easy installation. They come pre-bled and filled, which means you can install them without any hassle. Quality build. Manufactured by Shimano, a reputable brand known for its cycling components, you can trust the durability and performance of these brakes. Budget-friendly. At just $45.99, these brakes are a steal, offering exceptional value for your money. Let's take a look inside the box. You'll find left and right brake levers, front and rear calipers, 2 brake pads, and 2 pre-bled hoses. One measuring 800 mm and the other 1,400 mm. If you're new to brake installation, don't worry. Shimano has made it easy for you. Just follow the included instructions, and you'll have these brakes up and running in no time. Plus, you can find plenty of helpful tutorials online. Now, let's hear what customers have to say about these brakes. They've been receiving positive feedback for their stopping power, ease of installation, and value for money. Many cyclists have upgraded their old brakes to the Shimano Bridge MT200 and have seen significant performance improvements. With a 4.3-star rating on Amazon and being the #1 bestseller in bike disc brake sets, it's clear that these brakes have won the trust of cyclists. Of course, there are other options out there, and we've listed a few alternatives on our website. But in terms of bang for your buck, the Shimano Bridge MT200 is hard to beat. To sum it up, if you're looking for the best cheap hydraulic disc brakes that offer great performance and value, the Shimano Bridge MT200 hydraulic disc brake set should be at the top of your list. Upgrade your biking experience without breaking the bank. That's it for today's review. If you've tried these brakes or have any questions, please leave your comments down below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow cyclists. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.